Last week, we compared the core fundamentals of Bitcoin and gold. Now, in Part 2, we're diving into the next big question. How are governments reacting? And what happens next? Welcome back to Bitcoin versus Gold, the ultimate showdown. Over the past few years, we've seen a quiet but powerful trend emerging. Governments around the world are starting to treat Bitcoin as more than just a speculative asset. The United States currently holds around 198,000 Bitcoins. Most of that was acquired through law enforcement seizures. The United Kingdom and Bhutan are also in the game. Bhutan is taking a unique approach by mining Bitcoin using renewable hydroelectric power. Then there's El Salvador. It became the first country to officially adopt Bitcoin as legal tender in 2021. This move was designed to reduce dependence on the US dollar. It also aimed to attract foreign capital, though it faced criticism from international financial institutions. Perhaps the boldest idea comes from the US itself. There's now a proposal to build a strategic Bitcoin reserve. It would hold about 5% of Bitcoin's total supply. That's around 1 million coins. If this were to happen, Bitcoin would stand alongside gold and fiat currencies as a national reserve asset. Such a move could inspire other major economies to follow suit. But some economists warn this could destabilize traditional financial systems. Are they right? Or just resisting change? It could reshape the global financial landscape as we know it, which leads us to the future. What does the rest of 2025 look like for both of these assets? Looking forward, Bitcoin's trajectory in 2025 will depend heavily on three factors. First, regulatory clarity. Second, institutional adoption. Third, overall market sentiment. Historically, Bitcoin tends to move in cycles. 2 years of correction followed by 4 years of growth. If that pattern continues, 2025 could mark the heart of a new bull market. Bitcoin may become a legitimate safe haven asset for the digital age. Still, gold isn't about to lose its shine. Its role as a crisis hedge is deeply rooted in the behavior of central banks and global markets. As long as institutions continue to buy and store gold, its reputation as a long-term stability asset will remain intact. So while Bitcoin may be gaining momentum, gold continues to hold its ground. This brings us to a critical conclusion. How might both assets coexist in the future of global finance? Bitcoin may never fully replace gold or the US dollar, but it's clearly becoming the most important digital asset in the financial world. Its unique traits, limited supply, decentralization, and frictionless global transfer make it an increasingly attractive alternative, especially in a rapidly digitizing economy. And as central banks explore ways to digitize their reserves, we may be witnessing the birth of a new financial system. A system where digital and traditional assets don't compete but collaborate. Whether you lean toward gold's timeless legacy or Bitcoin's cutting-edge innovation, one thing is clear. We're entering a new era of money, and staying informed could be your smartest investment of all. What do you think? Will Bitcoin replace gold? Comment below. Seed outro.